A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE mobile phone. This is a monthly security patch update. After installing this mobile phone is updated to the August security patch. The size of this update is around 303.18 MB. This update was released in the last week of August month. I'm using my mobile after this update so that I can share with you are there any problems that I noticed after installing it. This mobile is currently running on One UI 7.0 with Android version 15. A new Android version will be released soon in the coming months. I have already started downloading the update and installing it now. The main objective of posting these software update videos, especially for this mobile phone, is to check whether the update is good or not, followed by any problems that I noticed after using the mobile phone for more than 24 hours. This S24 FE is supported for 7 years of major Android and security updates. I try to post these videos as much as I can. Let's see if Samsung hold their promise or not by giving the quality updates for this model. I successfully updated the mobile phone and used it for more than 48 hours. Coming to the things after the update, there are no issues I noticed and no data wipe happened after the installation. Not only that, no glitches, errors or green line issues either. The mobile got hot during the update process, but after 15 minutes it cooled down and there were no battery drain issues either. I'm getting the same battery backup as before. Even the idle drain is the same. For me it's 4 to 5%. That's the new software update details for the Samsung S24 FE. Like this video so YouTube pushes it up and is seen by many others as well. Thanks in advance for doing this.